want to show you the setup of my quick box that I made in about 3 minutes. Took a quality Amazon Prime box, cut what I call 2 windows on the top. The first window is a larger window so that you can see what you're writing on. The second window is a smaller window where you would place your camera lens through on your phone. Make sure there is enough space here left so that it holds your phone and is sturdy. The other thing I did, because I didn't have a box that was tall enough, is that I left the 3 wings on it. I cut 1 wing off so that of the longer side, so that I can put my hand underneath and write in and underneath the box. That is how I created my box to make a quick video recording. You can use this for any type of lesson. One of the things, if your box is not sturdy, that I did was I put a piece of duct tape on the inside on both sides of the wings, 2 pieces of duct tape on the outside of the wings, just to sturdy your box. Then the only other material you need is a marker and paper to write on. I chose to use pink construction paper.